Ever wonder what happens when the safety net of a factory warranty disappears from your dream luxury car? For many, it's a terrifying plunge into a money pit of endless repair bills. The prestige and performance you paid for are suddenly overshadowed by hidden reliability issues and astronomical repair costs. Most high-end cars will absolutely drain your bank account, but the ones on this list are different. In this video, we're counting down from 10 to 1, the most reliable luxury cars that are truly worth owning long after the warranty is a distant memory. These vehicles deliver prestige, power, and durability without the constant headaches. Our number one pick is a true testament to legendary German engineering that you won't want to miss. Please consider subscribing to the channel as we regularly post such automotive content. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the undisputed champion of luxury longevity, the Lexus GS 350. This car is the definition of buy it once, keep it forever. Built with old-school Toyota principles, the GS is so over-engineered that owners driving them for 300,000 miles with minimal repairs is the norm, not the exception. Its soul is the 3.5-liter 2GR V6, a naturally aspirated engine that completely sidesteps the costly issues of its turbocharged German rivals. There are no expensive turbo replacements or carbon buildup problems to worry about here. The GS also offers a fantastic driving experience, blending the comfort Lexus is famous for with a sporty and engaging rear-wheel drive chassis. Its only real flaws are a dated infotainment system and the tragic fact that Lexus discontinued it in 2020. That decision has only made the GS more desirable, keeping resale values high. Coming in at number 9 is the ultimate smart money choice for a 3-row luxury SUV, the Acura MDX. This vehicle is the perfect fusion of Honda's legendary reliability with the premium features and comfort that families desire. It's a masterclass in practical luxury. Powering the MDX is the venerable 3.5-liter J35 V6, a workhorse engine that has been refined over decades. It's not uncommon to see these SUVs surpass 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Acura's super-handling all-wheel drive system also provides incredible stability and confidence in all weather conditions. The primary quirk to be aware of is the 9-speed automatic transmission used from 2016 to 2019, which could sometimes shift abruptly, though Acura issued software updates to improve its performance. Minor infotainment glitches aside, the MDX is mechanically bulletproof, offering a level of long-term dependability its German competitors can only dream of. At number 8, we have an SUV that redefines what a crossover can be, the Porsche Macan. While many SUVs feel like tall, heavy wagons, the Macan drives with the heart and soul of a sports sedan. From the moment you grip the wheel, you feel Porsche's racing DNA. The steering is precise, the handling is sharp, and the interior build quality is a clear step above its competitors. What's truly surprising is its reliability. Porsche's strict quality control means that even the base 2.0-liter 4-cylinder is a solid choice, while the V6 models offer serious performance. Paired with the phenomenal PDK transmission, you get a vehicle that is both exhilarating and dependable. Some early models had reports of water pump or transfer case issues, but these were not widespread and are far less severe than the problems you'd find in a Range Rover or Jaguar of similar vintage. The Macan holds its value incredibly well because the market knows it's a premium product that's built to last. For number 7, we have an SUV that is in a class of its own when it comes to durability, the Lexus GX 460. This vehicle is an old-school, body-on-frame truck disguised in a luxury tuxedo. Underneath, it's a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a platform renowned for surviving the harshest conditions on Earth. Its heart is a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, an engine celebrated for its simplicity and unkillable nature. In a world of complex, high-strung engines, the GX's V8 is a testament to the if-it-ain't-broke-don't-fix-it philosophy. The trade-offs are significant, the fuel economy is truly awful, and the infotainment system feels like a relic from a bygone era. But if you want a comfortable 7-seat luxury SUV that can tow a boat, conquer a mountain trail, and still start every single morning for the next 20 years, nothing else comes close. The fact that over 11% of owners keep them for more than 15 years tells you everything you need to know. At number 6, we have an SUV for the person who needs practicality but refuses to give up the thrill of driving, the BMW X5, but only the 40i model. This vehicle demonstrates that a large, luxurious family hauler can still feel agile and responsive. While older X5s gave the model a bad reputation for catastrophic engine and electrical failures, the modern 40i, powered by the now legendary B58 inline-6 engine, is a game-changer. This is the same robust powertrain found in our next few picks, providing ample power to move the big SUV with authority. It's crucial to stick with this engine. The twin-turbo V8 models are known for a terrifying list of expensive problems. The interior of the X5 is a beautiful place to be, with premium materials and a commanding view of the road. You might encounter some finicky electronics or face a repair for the air suspension down the line. But the core of the vehicle, the engine and transmission, is one of the most solid combinations BMW has ever produced. Coming in at number 5, we have a car that proves a high-performance sports car doesn't have to be a fragile garage queen, the Porsche 911, specifically the 997 and 991 generations. For decades, the 911 has been the benchmark for the daily drivable supercar, and these generations have proven to be shockingly reliable. They offer an unmatched driving experience thanks to their unique rear engine layout and Porsche's obsessive attention to build quality. Most importantly, Porsche finally fixed the dreaded IMS bearing failure that plagued earlier models, making these generations a much safer long-term investment. The PDK dual-clutch transmission is also a marvel of engineering, lightning fast on a track, yet smooth in city traffic and incredibly durable. Yes, maintenance will be expensive. It's still a Porsche. But the common issues like carbon buildup or minor oil leaks are manageable and pale in comparison to the financial black holes that competitors from Italy or Britain can become. Moving from German performance to Japanese tranquility, our number 4 pick is an SUV that prioritizes peace of mind above all else, the Lexus RX 350. If you want a luxury vehicle that will likely last longer than your mortgage, this is it. The RX is so famously reliable that owners racking up 300,000 miles or more is not uncommon, it's expected. The secret is its straightforward, no-nonsense engineering. The 3.5-liter V6 is naturally aspirated, meaning it avoids the complexity and high-stress components of turbocharged engines, making it one of the most durable powertrains ever built. The biggest complaint you'll hear from automotive journalists is that it's boring to drive, but for millions of owners, that's a small price to pay for a vehicle that almost never breaks. Before we continue, if you appreciate advice that saves you money and headaches, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's a small click that brings you big value in every video. At number 3, we have an understated beast that perfectly blends all-weather capability with thrilling performance, the Audi S4 from the B8 and B8.5 generations. This car is the definition of a sleeper. It looks like a respectable family sedan, but it can launch from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. What makes it a smart buy is its heart, a 3.0-liter supercharged V6. Unlike Audi's older problematic turbocharged engines that were notorious for expensive failures, this supercharged unit is rock solid. The supercharger also provides instant throttle response with none of the lag associated with turbos. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and a slick 6-speed manual or a quick ZF 8-speed automatic, it's an incredibly satisfying car to drive year-round. Our number 2 pick proves that BMW can in fact build a reliable modern car. It's the BMW 440i from the F32 generation. For years, enthusiasts were burned by unreliable BMWs that became expensive headaches the second their warranties expired. The 440i shattered that stereotype with one of the most durable turbocharged engines the brand has ever produced, the B58. This 3.0-liter inline-6 is a masterpiece of smooth power and robust engineering. It's paired with the famously reliable ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, a combination so trusted that Toyota handpicked it for the new Supra. This isn't your old leaky BMW. The 440i holds up incredibly well. It's not flawless. Some owners report rare issues with high-pressure fuel pumps or carbon buildup, a common trait of direct injection engines, but these problems are trivial compared to the catastrophic engine failures of previous generations. Thanks to heavy depreciation, these stylish and fun-to-drive coupes are now an incredible bargain. And finally, our number 1 pick on the list is a car that represents a golden era of German engineering, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, specifically the W212 generation built from 2010 to 2016. This car is a gem because it combines the bank vault build quality of old-school Mercedes with modern technology that isn't overly complex. While other premium sedans begin to show their age with costly failures, the W212 was engineered to devour miles. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes class, with high-quality materials and a ride that is supremely comfortable, isolating you from the chaos of the outside world. Under the hood, later models feature the rock-solid M2076 3.5-liter V6, a naturally aspirated engine delivering over 300 horsepower with smooth linear power. For those who do a lot of highway driving, the bulletproof OM642 V6 diesel is a legend, known to easily surpass 250,000 miles with routine care. Stay far away from the previous W211 generation, and it's best to avoid the 2010 and early 2011 W212 models. But a well-maintained later model is one of the wisest investments in the used luxury market. Want to discover more cars that will never leave you stranded? Check out our next video on the top 13 cars that simply never break down. Some of them will definitely shock you. Click the video on your screen now.